You're probably gonna fly back to your hometown. I need some shelter of my own protection, baby, to be with myself instead of letting deep peace serenity. Gotta move on with my life. It's time to be happy girl now. If big girls don't cry, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. The path that I'm walking, I must follow. I must take the baby steps till I'm full grown, full grown. Fairy tales don't always have a happy ending today, and the forces that are ahead if I stay. I hope you know that this is nothing to do with you. And I'm gonna miss you like a child with their blanket, but I get you to move on with my life. It's time to be happy girls now. And big girls don't cry. Like the little schoolmate in the schoolyard, we'll play Jackson in the bars. I'll be your best friend and you'll be mine. Yes, you can hold my hand if you want to, and I wanna hold you too. We'll play playmates and lovers in your eyes.